You're not moving. You love this house. So here is what it actually costs to make it magnificent for the next 30 years. Honest numbers, no sales pitch. Start with the one people wish they'd done years earlier. The spa-style walk-in shower, $3,000 to $15,000. Hotel bathroom looks, zero awkward tub ledge. And since the bathroom is one of the most injury-prone rooms in any house, this is comfort and common sense in one project. Going bigger, a full bathroom remodel runs $8,000 to $25,000. Heated floors, comfort height everything, great lighting. Do it once, do it beautifully, and a no-step entry, $1,000 to $6,000, is easier for everyone. Luggage, strollers, the dog, and future you. Effortless stairs, a stair lift on a straight staircase runs $2,500 to $8,000. Curved staircases are custom work, often 5 figures. And a whole home generator, $7,000 to $15,000 installed, keeps the lights on, the freezer cold, and the Wi-Fi streaming through the storm. The unglamorous stuff, roof, windows, insulation, heating and cooling, decides your comfort and your utility bills for decades. Fix the envelope before the finishes. Before you call anyone, 3 rules. Get 3 quotes and be suspicious of the one that's half the others. Never pay in full up front. A 10 to 30% deposit is normal. And check licensing and insurance with your state board, not just a logo on the truck. These ranges are national ballparks for planning, not quotes. The full guide, plus a 5-minute home readiness quiz that tells you which upgrades pay off most for how you actually live, is at grandadvisor.com.